Hi, my name's Chaz. Not only am I a part of the Cozyla team, I'm also the father of 2 sons. And I'm very excited to introduce our latest and greatest Cozyla product, the Cozyla Max Go. It's not only your family command center, it could be the center of your entire life. So, for example, you can add all your favorite Google apps. Anything that's on the Google Play Store can be added to this device. You can control all your Google Home devices right from this device. Access Google Drive, access your Google Calendar. You can have Zoom meetings with our beautiful 8-megapixel included camera. Also, and this is one of my favorite features for my sons, a little homeschooling. You can add any type of homeschooling app on here. And again, anything on the Play Store can be added to this device. For example, Khan Academy is a great one. So my sons can get in here. They can go straight into their 2nd grade math, do their lessons right here, and the whole family can follow along. Another fantastic function for the homeschooling feature is the whiteboard here. So it comes with this beautiful touch-sensitive stylus where you can interact with the family, do the homeschooling, take notes, anything else that you'd like to do. And when the kids are at school, you can get back to business and be more productive than ever with your favorite productivity apps. You can get your to-do lists, do your project updates, use AI, present meetings, share meetings, use Zoom, and anything else that you might need to do. Diagram your ideas out and brainstorm. It's all doable with the Cozyla Max Go. You can also use it to get the whole family listening to music together, right? So we have Spotify in here, but you can use any music app, your favorite music app that you like to use, anything on the Google Play Store. Here we go. And with the beautiful dual built-in speakers, we can control the volume right there. Not bad. We have our whole fitness area. So if you want to get your Pilates workout on, go right ahead. I'm getting ready for my Pilates.
The first 50 seconds.
Okay, that's enough Pilates for me. Additionally, you can also add your favorite entertainment apps, Netflix, Amazon Prime, HBO Max, or YouTube. And with the beautiful 4K resolution on our 55-inch CalendarOS Max Go, nothing's ever looked so good. And of course, who doesn't love a good family game night? So we can also set up folders as we have here. We put our favorite family-friendly games here. Today we're going to play a little Subway Surf. And of course, the screen rotates as with our other Go models. And here we go. Let's see. Oh, no, I'm not very good at that game. And of course, all the Cozyla apps that you've come to know and love are on the device as well. So just right here on the sidebar, you can get into your calendar, right? You can see our day, the week, month view as always. And get into our tasks and routines. I think everybody's favorite part. My sons love getting their rewards, right? We go into our meal planning, recipes, thousands come preloaded, and we can see what's in our pantry, make a grocery list. And with our calendar, you can also use the Cozyla AI to add any event. So easy, right? Hey, Cozyla AI, please add an event today for 7 p.m. for mom to go to the dentist. Voila! Mom's going to the dentist, 7 o'clock, looks good. Let's go back to our calendar. Dentist appointment is right there. And since the CalendarOS Max Go is part of our Go series, it's mobile, has a 3-hour-long battery. You can move it anywhere in the house or even take it outside in the backyard for a little family movie night. And with our sidebar here, it comes with some built-in, really nifty functions like annotation, where you can write anywhere on the screen, screen capture, where you can take a screenshot, right? You can take a shot with your camera here with the shot function. You can do a vote, like during a meeting or something, and a stopwatch for a timer for children. You can also, again, control the volume right here or the brightness of the screen, just with a single touch. You can go back to your home screen here, access your screensaver, or go back to the last app you were on.